Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to install and set up an author bio box for the articles on your business website. The reason we want to do this is to convey more trust to the readers and show that there's a real person behind this content and to show that they're an expert in the industry and they know what they're talking about. This is something you can do even if you're just a local service-based business, or even something like a news website where you have multiple guest authors. And yeah, it's just a good way to show off who's writing the content and the expertise of this person writing it. So I'll be setting this up on a client of mine's website as they do not have this yet. So what you want to do is go over to the plugin section of your website, and then you want to click on add plugin, and then you want to search simple author box. And this is the one we're looking here with this funny looking man. Install that. Now that that's installed, we want to make sure that it is activated on the website. And now that's activated, we can go back to our blog article and just refresh the page and see if it's added anything to it. As you can see, it's obviously not filled out and it's only got half a name and a blurry image. So we want to go on the back end and make sure we fix a few of these things to make it look better. Okay, now to find this plugin on the dashboard, you want to hover over appearance. And here it is here, simple author box. Since we only have the free version, there's not too much we can do style-wise, as it requires you to have the pro version to make any of these sort of changes. But for what we want to do today, we want to just change the user details so that it displays a bio and the correct name on the blog article. So then you wanted to find the right author profile, click on edit, and we want to scroll down here. Here is his full name, Matthew Lockwood, but it's currently only displaying as Matthew. So we want to select that one, update user. If you refresh this, there we go. Now the next thing we want to do is add a bio for this profile. So I found his profile on the dealer's website, and here it is here. There's a little write-up about him and his business. So what I did was I grabbed this information and I put it into ChatGPT and said, write me a 2 to 3 sentence bio for this client, and basically it shortened it down for me, and this is what I have now. I'll just copy that and paste it in here, a short little bio. And what we want to do is upload an image as well. So I just go to the media library and there should be a photo here somewhere of him. Yep, this one here. We'll update that, just update user to save it. And the last thing we need to do is add some social media links. So if we go back to the website, in the footer, we have a Facebook and an Instagram. So I'm just going to grab the Facebook URL there and make that Facebook ad. And then I'm going to make this one Instagram. And we'll grab that URL, grab this URL here, add, update user. And now let's see what it looks like on the front end. Perfect. That looks much better. Just one more note on why these author bios can be so important for your website. If you follow any of the recent Google updates, you'll know that they are pushing something that is called EEAT. And essentially what that stands for is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. So essentially what that means is that Google will prioritize content that they believe to meet these 4 points. So by putting an author bio box in your articles, it shows that you are an expert, that you've got experience working in this industry, and essentially that you know what you're talking about. So this is just one way out of many that you can sort of help your content stand out against all of the other AI written sort of slop on the internet. This can be one way to sort of help you start outranking some of your competitors. If you want to read this full article, I will be leaving the link in the description of this video. And stay tuned, I will also be recording a number of videos around this topic, sort of showing you how you can utilize this in your content and help you start outranking your competition. Cheers.